There are many basic features of your 355AF that are accessible by either the buttons on the main control panel or through the included remote control. There are also so many different things that you can do with your new 355AF, and we want to make sure that you understand how to utilize all these engaging features. So, let's start with the features that we see on the main control panel. For example, zoom. Simply press the zoom plus or minus button on the control panel or the remote control to increase or decrease the zoom. What's great about the zoom feature in the 355AF is you're able to zoom up to 80 times with 8 times digital zoom and 10 times AV optical zoom. So virtually the smallest detail of any sort can be seen accurately. Now once you're in your desired zoom level, or if you choose not to zoom at all, you can press the AF button to automatically focus your image. You can also use the arrows on either the remote control or the control panel to pan up, down, left, and right once you have zoomed in on your image at 10 times or more. To capture images directly to the 355AF, press the Capture Delete button. And to view your saved images, press the Playback button. If you want to go back to your live video from here, simply press the Camera PC button again. You can also freeze your image by simply pressing the Freeze Stop button. Now this is a great feature because I'm sure that sometimes you may want to examine an object without necessarily holding it in place the whole time. For example, now you can display the pages of a book without having to actually hold it under the document camera. And what's really useful is you can also switch whatever image, object, or document you're viewing from color to black and white or to negative by pressing the Effects button on the remote control. You can also use the timer feature that allows both you and your students to see the remaining time on the screen. Now this could be used for test taking and those presentations. To set the timer, press the menu button on the remote control or the main control panel. Once you're in the menu, scroll over to the right until you see Presentation. Then scroll down and select Timer Set. You can now select any time interval between 1 minute to 2 hours. Once you've set your timer, you can activate it by first closing the menu by pressing Menu again and pressing Timer on the remote control. You'll now see your timer on the top of the screen beginning to count down. You can pause your timer by simply pressing the timer button again. And to clear the timer completely, simply go back to the menu and then select Presentation Settings and select Timer and then Stop. You can also rotate and mirror your image. To do this, press the Rotate button on your remote control. This will rotate your image in increments of 90 degrees. If you would like to switch it back to the regular view, simply press Rotate again. To mirror your image, simply press the Mirror button on the remote control and your image will automatically show the mirrored view. And if you need more light, simply use the built-in LED light module by simply flipping the switch on the side of the camera head. And make sure you don't forget about our patented laser positioning guides that guide you to the center viewing area.